Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Fatima. Good morning, Rizan. Good morning, Yusuf. Good afternoon, Rizan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. This is science period, dear.
How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
Absolutely
Ma'am,
fine,
it is quiz.
Rizan. How are you? Good afternoon, Yusuf. Good afternoon, everybody. This is your science class.
Yes. Subject.
Quickly take out your science notebook.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, Good afternoon,
Good
Shavik. Good
afternoon.
afternoon, Taha.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am.
Nabil. You're laying down on bed. What happened, beta? Everything fine? Yeah, that's like a good boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quickly be ready with your science notebook. Everybody, a very interesting chapter going on.
Ma'am, I have my book.
Very good. Bushra, good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sanaya, beta. Quickly take out your science notebook, everybody, and put on your video, Nabil, Shavik. Very good, Sanaya. Put on your video, everybody. Okay, so if you remember, we were studying about the senses. We see from where? Tell me, Sanaya, unmute. Tell me, Sanaya. We see from, who can tell me? Unmute and tell me, we see from where? Which part of our body? We can see from which part of our body?
Eye.
Very good, Shavik. We can see. Okay, okay. We can, if you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shavik, tell me, dear.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
I was in my nanny's house when you were teaching me that.
Senses.
That senses, yeah.
Okay, no problem. We have not yet gone very far. Okay, we just started the chapter and we were studying about the important senses in our body. There are 4 main important senses in our body. Like you can see with your eyes. I'm just refreshing everybody. Okay, Nabil, tell me, we hear with which part of body? Yes, Sanaya. We can hear from where? From which part of our body? We can smell from. We can smell from.
Nose.
Very good. Now, Rizan, unmute and tell me, we can feel from where? From where can you feel? Suppose, Rizan, you are touching a hot tea or a very cold coffee you have touched. You touch from which part of your body? Yes, you feel it. How do you feel it? When you touch it, right? And we touch it with which part of our body?
Hand.
Yes, yes. So I'm just taking you through the book. We have not gone anything in we have not gone any very far from the chapter. We have just started the chapter, Fatima, so you'll easily get through it. Okay. So we are studying about see. We can taste. We taste food with our mouth. We taste. We eat anything, and and then we get the taste. That is one sense. Yes, beta. Wait now. We smell with our nose. Yes, beta. We will come to the studying part. Okay. We smell with our nose. We can hear with our ears. You can feel anything. You can feel the touch. So touch is also one of your sense. Okay, Fatima. Unmute, Fatima.
Yes.
Yes, tell me, beta. Do you want to ask anything?
No.
Okay. Okay. So now, do you know one very amazing thing? A dog can sense, its dog's sense smell is 200 times better than us. It's 200 times better than us. So suppose how dog's sense is better, much better than us. Yes, Sanaya, unmute beta. Tell me. Unmute, Sanaya. Unmute, Sanaya, beta. Tell me.
What you said?
I was saying.
What you said, dog?
I was saying that a dog's sense to smell. Like whenever your mama cooks food, or dogs can also smell. Dogs smelling ability is 200 times better than us. So these dogs can smell much quickly than us. They are very quicker in smelling. Okay. So what are now, tell me, what are the 4 senses? Come on, I am stopping to share now and coming to you one by one. We are not going to write anything. We are just going to revise. Yes, come again, beta. I asked Sanaya, what are the senses in a body? Like touch is one sense in a body, right? Taste also. Okay, taste is also one of the sense in a body. Yes, Fatima, unmute and tell me. Now, did you understand, beta? What are the main senses in our body?
Yes.
From where we can get that, that when suppose when you touch anything, then you get the feel. Oh my God, it's very hot. Oh my God, it's very cold. So it is one of the sense in your body. Yes, Hamza Qureshi, unmute and tell me, beta.
Do the foxes also have the senses better,
Yes, yes, yes,
even more
yes.
than humans and dogs.
Yes, beta. Yes. Yes, Hamza Qureshi, unmute. Absolutely right.
Good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, Hamza. Oh my God. It's not yet evening.
Ma'am, this is afternoon.
Yes. Okay.
Evening.
So, who can tell me any other sense in a body? Yes. Hamza Iqbal, unmute and tell me any one sense in a body.
Ma'am, the hearing.
Very good. Hearing is also one of the sense in a body. Taha, unmute and tell me one sense in your body.
I can hear something.
Yes, Taha?
I can hear.
Yes, you can hear. So hearing is also one sense in your body. Okay. Now, Nabil, unmute and tell me another sense in your body.
Ma'am, I heard what are you saying? I heard what are you saying?
Yes. So hearing is also one sense in your body. Now, Nabil, unmute and tell me another sense in your body. Come on, Nabil, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me another sense in your body.
Ma'am, nose.
These are parts of your body. Okay.
My
Like
nose.
nose is parts of your body.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a part of your body. Okay. But from nose, what do you do? What do you do from your nose? What do you do from your nose?
My smell. My smell.
Yes. So smelling is sense in your body.
Nose. Sense in your body.
Yes. Now wait. Everybody take out your notebook. Take out your notebook, everybody, please.
I have notebook.
Yes, everybody, please write along with me. Okay. See, here we will write parts of our body and what are its senses and what are senses. It creates sense. Senses in our body.
Part.
Like, first one, tell me any one part of your body that creates sense.
Part.
Like, first one I'm telling you, or I think Bushra can tell me. Bushra, unmute, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Bushra, can you tell me any one part of your body that gives you sense?
Ma'am, eyes.
Very good, excellent. Write it down on your notebook, everybody. Like Bushra said, eye. What do we do with it? We see. Right. Let me come to the next one. Oh, coming to each one of you. Yes. Hamza Qureshi, unmute and tell me, dear.
Yes.
Tell me, beta. Any one part of body that is sense in your body, that creates senses in your body.
Okay. Sense. Ma'am, nose.
Very good. What does nose do? What do we do with a nose?
Smells.
Yes. So, smell. Write down. Write the similar way. As I am writing here, no? You also write it down on your notebook. Now, let me come to the next one, that is... Okay, Yusuf, unmute and tell me any other part of your body that creates senses in a body. Tell me.
Ear.
Very good. Excellent. What do you do with your ear? Unmute, beta.
We hear with our ear.
Yes. Hearing is also one of the senses in a body. Now, let me come to the next one. That is what? Shavik, unmute and tell me, beta. Another parts of your body that creates sense in a body.
Hand.
Hand, yes. What can you do with it?
Touch.
Very good. Hand or leg also. Touch. Very good, Shavik. Now, Fatima Ansari, unmute and tell me. Fatima, can you tell me another part of body that creates sense in our body? It is related with food, beta. Just think.
It's related to food. We eat food with our hands and we even eat food with our fingers.
Fingers, hand, leg, everything creates touch. So it has already been done. Okay, I'm helping you out. When your mama cooks food for you, how can you tell your mama that the food is very yummy or the food is no, you don't like it? How do you tell it? Very good. Very good. Your mouth, your tongue.
I am Seda Nabil.
Very good. Very good. What does it do? It creates taste. Understood, Fatima Sanaya?
It's not Fatima Sanaya, not Fatima Sanaya.
I'm sorry, Fatima Ansari. I'm so sorry. Did you understand now?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now everybody write these down on your notebook. Similarly, as I have written, you also write it down on your notebook. Fatima Sanaya, unmute and tell me.
Ask me.
I didn't ask you. Okay. Can you tell me one part of a body that creates senses?
Heart.
Okay. What does it do?
It helps us to move.
Okay. Okay. Okay, beta. Write it down, everybody. Hamza Qureshi, do not share any smileys. Write it down on your notebook. Shavik, unmute and tell me what do you want to say, beta?
Ma'am, I'm done writing.
Excellent. Show me your notebook.
Ma'am, when you were writing, I wrote it that time.
Very good. Can you show me your notebook, beta, please? Taha, unmute and show me your notebook. Very good, Shavik. Very good, my boys. Very good, Taha. Let me see who are the other one. Oh my God, Rizan also done. Very good, Rizan beta. Very good. What about Bushra, Hamza Iqbal? Show me your notebook, beta.
Yeah, listen. My notebook.
Yes, beta. Show me.
Nancy.
Very good. Good. Good, Hamza Iqbal. Yes, Rizan, unmute and tell me, dear. Unmute Rizan, beta.
Ma'am, I can leave.
No, beta. The class has not yet ended.
Ma'am, I am
Very
done.
good, Nabil.
I
I
am
saw
leaving.
it.
Ma'am, I am
Good, Nabil. I saw it. Fatima Ansari, show me your notebook. Coming, Sanaya. Good, Yusuf. I saw it. Good one. Very good, Fatima Ansari. Fatima Sanaya, show me your notebook. Good, Fatima Sanaya. Done. Very good. So, see, all of you have now completed writing. Bushra? Okay, write it down. Let's wait for Bushra. So now who can read it out for me? Let me come to Nabil unmute. And now read out the senses in a body. Read out the senses in a body. Come on.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
see.
Rizan.
Nose, smell,
Very good.
ear, hair,
Very good.
hand, leg, toes.
Catch.
Ma'am, listen.
Wait, Nabil, coming, beta.
Mouth, tongue,
Hmm.
mouth, tongue,
Hmm.
taste.
Very good. Nabil, now you read it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it out, Nabil.
Ma'am,
Coming, Fatima Ansari.
I see.
Hmm.
Nose, smell,
Hmm.
ears, hear,
Hmm.
hand, toes, touch,
Very good. Shavik,
mouth,
unmute and read it
tongue,
out.
taste.
Very good. Shavik, your turn. Read it out.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Shavik.
do I need to read the parts?
Yes, beta, you need to read it out. What does eye do? What does nose
I
do?
see. Nose smell, ear hear,
Hmm.
and leg and hand touch, mouth and tongue taste.
Okay. Okay, good. Now let me come to next one. Fatima Ansari, where are you? Read it out, Fatima Ansari.
I see, nose, smell, hear, ear, hear, hand, leg, touch, mouth, tongue, taste.
Very good. So now just tell me senses in our body, Fatima, without seeing the notebook or the screen.
Okay, see, smell,
Hmm.
hear, and touch, taste.
Very good.
Is-
Bushra, unmute. Your turn. Read it out.
Eyes, nose, ear,
Eyes.
head,
You
leg,
can see with your eyes.
mouth. You can see with your eyes. You can smell with your nose.
Very good.
You can hear with your
Ears.
You can hear with your voice.
You can hear with your ears. Ears.
ears, head,
Hmm.
hand,
Hmm.
leg,
Hmm.
mouth, tongue.
Right. You can taste with your mouth and tongue, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now who can read it out next for me? Hamza Qureshi, unmute. Hamza, now just tell me senses in a body. Don't read it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Without seeing your notebook, can you tell me the senses in a body, Hamza Qureshi?
Senses.
Yes, beta.
Senses. My brain.
Senses in a body. You have just written it down on your notebook, beta. Like smell.
Senses is. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Eyes, nose.
Coming, everybody. Wait, beta. Shavik, unmute. Tell me.
Ma'am. You touch this.
Very good, Shavik. Yes, Hamza Qureshi.
1 minute only, ma'am. Only 1 minute.
Okay. See, the senses in a body, like you can taste with your tongue, right? You can hear
Ma'am,
with your
skin,
ears.
ma'am, skin. Ma'am, skin.
Okay. So
Skin.
how skin? Okay. So what how can you get that feeling in your skin? Suppose when your brother or sister, when you're playing with a brother and sister, they pinch you. Then you get the feel on your skin. Oh, mama, see, he or she is pinching me. They're pinching me. So how come when they
Yes.
touch you? So touch is your sense.
Ma'am,
Okay.
skin is a one sense. Then I have a fever. I have not fever.
No, Hamza. Wait, listen. What do you mean by sense? Senses mean by parts of body that creates feel under you. You can feel it. Like smell. When you smell any bad thing, you tell, oh my God, such a bad smell. So you feel it. You get something clicks in your brain that, oh my God, some rotten type of smell is coming. When you hear anything, what happens when any sound goes into your ears? Then also you get a sense. So
Ma'am, my teeth.
no, beta, teeth is not your sense.
Okay.
Listen, see here on the notebook. Hamza, first put on your video.
My video is on, ma'am.
But I cannot see you, beta. See, Hamza Qureshi. See, I've written here on the board. Senses means which can create feel in you. You can feel, suppose when anybody is touching you. Touch means sense. Okay. Taste of anything. It is a sense. Hearing is a sense. Smelling is a sense. Okay. So everybody, come on, say along with me. What are the senses in your body? Like see, smell. Say along with me. Smell, touch, come on, everybody, say along with me. See, smell, taste. Come on, say everybody. Taste, then ear, then touch. Bushra, unmute. Any problem, beta?
Ma'am, Bushra, which period is this?
Bushra, almost class has ended. This is science period, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now tell me the senses in a body quickly, and then we will end the class. Quickly, tell me the senses in a body.
See,
Yes.
ma'am, I know ear, hand and leg,
Hamza.
mouth and tongue.
Hamza, first listen to the question, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Eyes, nose, ear, hand, leg. These are parts of your body, no, beta? These are parts of your body. Right, Hamza? Okay.
Yeah.
These are parts. So what do we do from these parts of body? Like from nose, we can smell.
Eyes, nose, ear, hand, leg, mouth, tongue.
Okay, let me come to Fatima Ansari, unmute. Can you tell me the
Yes, ma'am.
senses in a body?
Yes. What I
Senses in a
see.
body.
Oh, see, smell, hear, tongue, and taste. Those are the senses in our body.
Good, good. Now let me come to the next one. Now will unmute and tell me senses in a body.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the senses in a body, beta.
Ma'am, see your eyes.
Yes. Then
Ma'am, I am sees my eyes.
very good. The next sense in your body.
Ma'am, and next is the nose is the smell.
Very good. Next one.
Ma'am, that is the ear is the ears.
Very good. Next one.
And tongue, ma'am. And
Go ahead.
then leg is touch.
Very good. Rizan Patel, quickly unmute and tell me senses in a body.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rizan, tell me, beta.
My nose smell.
Very good.
Ma'am, I nose this smell.
Very good. From ear.
Ma'am, see, I am ear see. No, ma'am, I am ear hair.
Yes. Then tongue.
Tongue, taste.
Very good. Now, Hamza Iqbal, unmute and tell me senses in a body.
Ma'am, we can see with eye, we can smell with nose, we can hear with ear, we can touch with hand and we taste with the mouth and tongue.
Good. Now, Taha, unmute and tell me what do you want to say, beta? Yes, beta, tell me. Taha, unmute and tell me, beta, what do you want to say? Taha,
To me.
coming, beta. Taha, do you want to ask anything?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
sure.
can I say, ma'am?
It's coming, Sanaya beta. Coming. Taha, quickly tell me senses in a body.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Taha.
I see, nose, smell, air, hair, hand, leg, mouth, tongue, taste.
Sanaya, now you tell me. Yes.
See,
Yes.
hand, touch,
Very good.
and
Taste.
taste.
Excellent. Yusuf, unmute and tell me quickly.
What, ma'am?
Senses in a body. Quickly tell me senses in a body.
First, eye, see. Second, nose, smell. Third, ear, hear. Fourth, hand, leg, touch. Five, mouth, tongue, taste.
Very good. Let me come to last person of the day. Hamza Qureshi again. Tell me, beta.
Yes.
Tell me parts of body, beta. Sorry, senses in a body.
I see, nose, smell, ear, hear, hand and leg touch, mouth and tongue taste.
Yes, beta. Tell me.
Ma'am, class is ended.
Yes, class is now
Ma'am, I can.
ending. Yes. So now we will meet in the next class with some other. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to meet. No, tomorrow I will tell you, and you will be getting some updates on the celebration of Christmas, what we are going to do. Okay. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. See you. Bye bye, everybody.